Hey everybody, welcome back to the Flannel Phillip channel. Today I'm going to be doing some pinstriping on my son Jacob's toolbox. Today is his first day of going to class at auto mechanics school. He's going to VOTEC, and so I'm going to surprise him with some pinstriping on his toolbox before we drop it off at school. So follow along with me, and we'll lay some lines, then we'll drop it off to him, and he gets to see it for the first time, so stick around. Alright, so as you can see here, I laid out some lines that I'm going to be following along, just using Stabilo pencil, and I'm doing one drawer right here, and the top drawer. The reason for the tape is I know that grabbing a toolbox, your fingers are going to be dirty and they're going to be scratching and things like that, so I'm purposely going to stay away from that top 1.5 inches of both drawers, so that way my lines don't get rubbed and scratched and grease and things like that. So I just laid a grid down, laid out a few ideas of things that I might follow the lines, I might not. So let's find out. Here we go. I'm gonna be using Alpha6 Enamels paints today. That's my go-to brand. And for my brush, it's a Mack Brush 4.0. So I'm going to set in my 3 teardrops that I have in the center. I'll be outlining those in red, and then I'm going to do the second set of stripes in red as well, and that's going to add some layers. So switch my palette back over here to the toolbox, and we'll switch over to red.
There ain't nothing new
closer look at it. Yeah, not too bad. I think that's simple enough. That's kind of what Jacob was talking about that he wanted. He wanted not too busy. One of the tricks to remember is to know when to quit and know when something's finished, because it's really tempting to just keep going and keep going and keep going, and pretty soon it's so busy that you kind of should have quit 15 minutes ago. So anyway, hey, I want to thank you all for watching. This was just kind of a fun way to let you guys in on what's happening in my day off, and what's going on in my son's life. Thanks again for coming along. I really appreciate all my supporters and my followers. You guys are awesome, and thanks so much for your kindness and your encouragement in the new channel and in me learning new skills like this. So peace and grease, everybody.